Did you know NetSkeme has thousands of data sheets at the ready? Let's go over a few ways to view. When deciding which symbols to insert, you can select the associated PDF icon directly from the Library Explorer. From here, a new tab will open with the datasheet. Let's say you already have a symbol within your drawing. From here, you can right-click, select Edit Model Data, click Extended, and then select the PDF to view the datasheet. But what if you have a symbol without any associated data? Then you can right-click, select Fetch from Library, and select the PDF icons to view datasheets from the potential models you could select from the library. If using this approach, make sure that you have a model selected and check Update Symbol and select OK if you'd like to add that model data to the empty symbol within your drawing. If you choose not to add any data, simply cancel.